So I recently had the pleasure to review this Haier washing machine, model number HW70-1479. It's quite a big washing machine. It has a 7 kg drum, which is big enough for two of us, and there's still plenty more to put washing in. And it also does up to a 1400 spin speed, and as you can see, it's got all these different dials which you could choose different ones. It's got different times for the different ones and different speed settings and temperatures. So you've got your spin, your rinse, your delicates, your mix, your sports, your quick wash, your pre-wash, standard, eco, synthetic and wool. And you can also change the temperature yourself, and also the same with the spin speed, you can change that as well. And also you can have an intense wash or an extra rinse. And if you look at the size of the drum, it's big enough for us anyway. The other good thing about it is really quiet, so it's not banging around making a noise. Also on this washing machine, it has 3 compartments. It has compartments for your tablets, your laundry detergent and your washing powder, which is quite handy because on my old one I only had 2 compartments. What I would do now is I will show you it working, just to show you how quiet it actually is. So I'll put a few clothes in the washing machine now, and I've left it running so it should go to the spin, so it will show you how quiet it is. Should start spinning in a second. So all in all, I think it's a good washing machine. It's obviously got the space you need if you do big washes, and the different temperatures that you can change yourself makes it easier. The only thing I would say is on there they have a 90-degree option. I don't see the point in it because all the dials you try, you can't actually use 90 degrees on it, it won't let you. So I'm not sure why they've actually put that on the washing machine. And also there's only one other thing, the start pause button seems to stick a little bit. It sticks inside, you have to keep popping it back out. But other than that, it's a great washing machine and I'm happy with it. I just want to say thank you for letting me review it.